If you're driving with your hazard lights on in any kind of bad weather, you are not signaling your intention to make a lane change, and you will be turning without signaling because there is no other light which will indicate your intentions to turn or to make a lane change. That's why people can get a ticket for not signaling their intentions while changing lanes or while turning in this situation. Hazard lights are only used if you are about to stop and become a hazard because you have a hazard in front of you. As soon as you decide to keep going, you should switch your hazard lights off and turn your low beams on so people can see you with your tail lights.